guys, it's Kal here. It's been a minute. Actually, it's been about 3.5 years of them. Been busy, been doing a lot of stuff, trucking hard. Anyway, it's about time I give you guys another video. A few of you have been asking for it, so out for a bike ride with my better half, enjoying the beautiful sights around Moncton and Dieppe and Riverview on our re-bikes that we bought last year. And later on today, we're going to record you a video. You guys have been asking to see me bleed with a Wilkinson shavette. We're going to haul out the Wilkinson shavette. New Vosky in it. Going to give you another shave video. And because it's getting that time of year, and PAA has just come out with their seasonal release of Blue So In, we're going to give you some Blue So In to go with it. So stay tuned. We're coming at you.